Hello, good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about Silicon Valley's bank crash. So, what caused Silicon Valley's bank's failure? So, in this topic, we are going to discuss what went wrong with the Silicon Bank Valley, what is bank run, what happens next, and impact on the Indian economy. So, the downfall of the US based Silicon Bank Valley, that is SVB, is the largest failure of the financial institution since the global financial crisis of 2008. So, financial institution, the SVB, it is a bank, that's why it is by default can be called as a financial institution bank. So, what went wrong at Silicon Valley's bank? The financial institution, best known for its relationship with high flying world technology startups एंड कैपिटल वेंचर कैपिटल स्टार्टअप्स मतलब कोई भी कंपनी की शुरुआत होगी तो उसे एक स्टार्टअप कहा जाएगा. कोई भी कंपनी स्टार्ट करने के लिए कुछ फंड्स की ज़रूरत होती है तो वो फंड्स प्रोवाइड करने वाली भी कुछ कंपनीज होती है, उन्हें कहा जाता है वेंचर कैपिटल. Experienced a bank run. So this is also a very interesting concept. We will discuss it. The financial institution best known for its relationship with high-flying world technology startups and venture capital experienced a bank run. So what is this bank run? तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि लोग भाग रहे हैं. यहाँ पे एक बैंक है. So a bank run which is typically the result of panic. तो लोगों में पैनिक क्यों होता है? अगर किसी भी बैंक के बारे में कोई अगर बैड न्यूज़ आ जाती है तो लोग पैनिक हो जाते हैं और उस बैंक के आगे लाइन लगा के खड़े हो जाते हैं. सो अ बैंक run which is typically the result of the panic, customers withdraw their deposits simultaneously. तो एक साथ पैसे निकालने लगते हैं, विड्रॉ करने लगते हैं, rather than the true insolvency. इंसॉल्वेंसी का क्या मतलब होता है? बैंकरप्सी. So rather than the true insolvency pushes a bank into actual insolvency. Bank run have occurred throughout the history, including the Great Depression, during the Great Depression and the 2008 financial crisis. So ये Great Depression कब हुआ था? 1929. It went on for 10 years. That means up to 1939. So bank run has occurred throughout the history, including the Great Depression and 2008 financial crisis. So what happens next? Silicon Valley's banks, large deposit startups and wealthy startups are unsafe. The federal government insures deposit up to $250,000. अगर इंडियन करेंसी में कन्वर्ट करें तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 80 इट विल बी अराउंड 2 करोड़. So the federal government insures the deposit up to 250,000, that is equivalent to 2 crore, and anything above it is considered as uninsured. उसके बाद की कुछ गारंटी नहीं है. likely to be released in an orderly process. तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसे रिलीज कर सकते हैं. बट मेनी बिजनेसेस वॉन्ट्स टू एक्सेस फंड्स टू मीट पेरोल्स. एम्प्लॉयज़ की सैलरी देने के लिए पेरोल्स एंड ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस कुड लीड टू फरलॉग्स एंड ले-ऑफ्स. फरलॉग्स का क्या मतलब होता है? अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को ज़बरदस्ती छुट्टी पे भेज देना, और ले-ऑफ्स का मतलब होता है निकाल देना. सो many businesses wants to access funds to meet payrolls and office expenses could lead to furloughs or layoffs, and there is no buyers to Silicon Valley Bank. So is this a sign of repeat of 2008 global financial crisis? Silicon Valley Bank was a large but had a unique existence by serving nearly exclusively to technology world and venture capital backed companies. Other banks are far more diversified across the multiple industries, customer base and geographies, and could survive a deep recession and a significant rise in unemployment. However, if the contagion effect from the Silicon Valley banks, तो कंटीजियन इफेक्ट क्या होता है? कंटीजियस डिसीजेस होता है. वैसे ही एक इकोनॉमी कंसेप्ट है कंटीजियन डिसीज, मतलब एक सेक्टर का दूसरे सेक्टर के ऊपर भी कुछ इफेक्ट होता है, या एक कंपनी का दूसरे कंपनी के ऊपर भी एक कंटीजियस इफेक्ट होता है. सो हावेवर इफ द contagion effect from the Silicon Valley Bank or higher interest rate hit more foreign banks. A flight to safety among the global investors could hit a capital flow into emerging market. The contagion effect explains the possibility of spread of economic crisis or boom across the countries and the region. तो ये contagion effect से दो possibilities है, एक तो economic crisis भी आ सकता है या economic boom भी आ सकती है. The fundamental underlying this scenario where the price movement in one market are a resultant of the shocks and volatility in the other markets is a perfect example of information flow. तो एक मार्केट से दूसरे मार्केट में भी इसका इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है. The impact on the Indian economy. Many Indian startups, especially SaaS or software as a service sectors, many Indian startups, especially in the SaaS, not only have accounts but the bank had also been an important lender. मतलब वो पैसे भी दे सकते थे देती थी. So many Indian startups, especially in the SaaS, that means software as a services sector, not only have accounts but the bank also had been an important lender. For example, an investment of the total 1.7 million in 197 Communications, the parent company of Paytm. As the funding of the startup is dwindling का क्या मतलब होता है? Declining. As the funding for the startups is declining, this could prove to be a major roadblock, especially for the young businesses. So this was the impact of the Silicon Valley Bank's failure on Indian economy. So thank you very much for watching.